Don't skip 5 and 8. Seriously, most people don't even realize how these two beliefs are keeping them broke. We all talk about money problems, but rarely about the mindset behind them. In this video, I'm going to break down 10 toxic money beliefs that secretly block your financial success. If you're stuck, struggling, or tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this might be exactly what you need to hear. 1. Money is the root of all evil. You've heard this before, right? But think about it. Money doesn't turn people evil. It just shows who they already are. It's not money that's the problem. It's what people do with it. Rich people are greedy and selfish. This belief, it's just an excuse. Sure, there are some bad ones, but many wealthy people help others, donate, and create jobs. If you believe all rich people are bad, your mind will never let you become one. 3. I'm just not good with money. Nobody's born good with money. It's a skill, like cooking or driving. You learn. But if you keep telling yourself you're bad with it, you'll never even try. 4. Wanting more money makes me greedy. Why is it greedy to want a better life? Wanting more money doesn't mean you're greedy. It means you want options, freedom, and the ability to take care of the people you love. 5. Unless I win the lottery, I'll never be rich. That's the dream they sell you, quick and easy. But reality? Most wealthy people didn't win big. They built slowly, step by step. No lottery ticket needed. 6. Money can't buy happiness. True, it can't buy everything. But let's be honest, it helps. It buys comfort, peace of mind, and freedom. And when you're not stressing about bills, it's a lot easier to feel happy. 7. Debt is just part of life. Only if you accept it. Not all debt is necessary. The truth is, most people stay in debt because they think it's normal. But it doesn't have to be. 8. If I work harder, I'll make more money. Hard work is great, but let's not lie to ourselves. Working 16-hour shifts doesn't guarantee wealth. You have to work smart, build systems, learn new skills. Working hard and smart is the combo that wins. 9. Investing is way too risky. Yes, it can be, but not investing at all? That's even riskier. Saving cash that loses value every year? That's a slow way to go broke. Start small, learn, grow. 10. I'll save what's left after I spend. You know what usually gets left? Nothing. That's why wealthy people save first, then spend. If you flip this belief, your finances can change fast. These beliefs may feel harmless, but they're not. They shape your future. They decide whether you build wealth or stay stuck. Break them now, or they'll break your future. Let me know. Which of these hit you the hardest?
Subscribe to In a Million if you're serious about changing your mindset and building the life you actually want.